to install the BA Slim air cleaner on my Harley Dyna today, boys. Hell yeah.
Yeah, we did.
We got a one-way trip, we ain't coming home. We got a big Slim, baby. We're just gonna dive right in. Gonna get this old air cleaner off there. We got FEULING's step-by-step instructions. We're gonna get this baby dye. Gonna take this outer cover off here.
Definitely had something on those bad boys. Oop. Oh man. Damn, it's crazy how dirty that thing gets. Look at the where it's not exposed.
The T27. Take this old air filter off of here.
Pretty good.
Hell yeah.
Whoa.
Ooh wee.
What's going on here?
Huh. What the fuck I was torquing down there, brother? Remove the stock back plate. Disconnect and remove the 2 stock breather bolts.
Just hard to pull out.
Just gotta pull them out, boys. Just gotta quit being a Nancy. Want to be careful here not to drop this shit down in there. Now we just got to do remove.
What are we removing?
Right here.
Oh, those guys. Okay. A little tight gonna do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
16s, baby.
Not too bad.
None of them have a real high torque, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Screwing out the breather bolts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh man, we're about to have the big. Huh? Got something more?
Huh? Holding it from the John.
Well, every time.
The gasket is what was holding that on, boys. So when you get to that point, just pull her off so you don't drop her on your exhaust like I did.
Pro tip.
But like it's still really on there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, seriously. Now we're just gonna have to get all this mounting surface all cleaned up.
Do we have a clean towel?
Oh, we do. You know how I'm gonna have to do this, boys. Sorry to use all this witchcraft. Oh yeah.
Got those rags?
Yeah. You know.
I don't know how he does it.
I'm gonna get off as much of this at once as I can, honestly.
Dang, boys.
Not too bad.
We don't have brakes when you're doing.
But tip, I'm gonna put a little of that in there so I don't really gotta worry about anything getting inside.
Good idea, boys.
You really just gotta spray the shit out of it. And then just really just put some elbow grease in with your thumb.
Yep.
Just a lot of spray and some elbow grease. Uh-oh, boys, you know.
It's about time.
Be installing the back plate. Got down. This is the backing plate.
Yeah.
Just gonna take off these. I'm gonna get these O-rings out and lube them up a little bit. One's gonna go on the outside and then one's gonna go on the inside, so. A little grease here, boys. Lube these babies up. It's gonna actually hold them on there too, you know what I mean, so. Yeah, full of grease, make sure they're in there nice. Lubed up good, everything's clean. We just gotta put the supplied gaskets between such. Now we're getting somewhere. Now the old wheels are turning. The old ticker's ticking, you know what I'm saying, boys?
Yep.
Now I'm seeing what everybody's been talking about for so long.
Yeah, you put this gasket on there, and then screw the back plate on, and then you put those 3 screws on. Is that back gasket on there? Yeah.
Put these on very loose because we need Loctite on them.
We the Loctite portion of the program.
I like my Loctite shaken, not stirred, boys.
Yep.
We're gonna put that in there, try not to touch anything on the outside. Keep an eye on that, boys. Keep an eye on.
Yeah, you don't want that O-ring to not be in there.
Just gonna see these babies.
Tighten the backing plate evenly.
Making sure these aren't binding anything.
Alternate between the breather bolts and the 3 backing plate bolts so the plate draws in evenly.
Oh, right at the same time. Oh, yeah. Now we're going in and
Yeah, you don't want to crush those O-rings. So.
I'm just feeling it
Yeah.
now just to see. Yeah, this is tight. When those Allen wrenches start bending on those light ones, when they start bending around, you're torqued. You call this the good and tight method. God, just look at the milling on that.
Yeah.
Can't say it didn't make it look good.
Shit. Forget about your back gasket.
Install the velocity stacking cage.
Yeah.
You will use the 3 countersunk velocity stack bolts.
Yeah. Making some money moves now.
Oh yeah.
Man. She is looking pretty. The closer she gets to being completely done.
Looking pretty good, boys. You guys already know this, but you just hop around in a star pattern.
Yep. You want this baby to be sealed.
Just literally hold
And
on.
I think it's done, ain't it?
Shoot, I
Shit.
believe so. Looking good. Jeez, boys.
Looks nuts on camera.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Holy moly, boy. Hell yeah, boy. We just installed a BA Slim air cleaner
Yeah, we did.
on my Harley Dyna today, boys. Hell yes, we did. We gonna be riding hell different leather now. Oh my god, look at that son of a bitch. Oh my god.
You're gonna turn this thing on, see what
Oh my
see what it sounds like?
Oh yeah. Chicken bone, lucky chicken bone. We want to thank you boys for tuning in.
Oh yeah.
Catch us next week at 4:20. Until then, right hell them for leather, boys.
Let's get it.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit. That's good stuff.
Hello, style. Dyna. Harley-Davidson. You know what I'm saying, boys? 14-inch shots jacked up with that gangster lean.